Did you know that the global market for rare inherited metabolic disorder drugs is on the verge of a massive transformation? Valued at over $243.41 billion in 2026, this specialized sector is projected to soar past $530.10 billion by 2033, growing at a steady CAGR of 11.76%. What's driving this surge? It's a combination of expanded newborn screening, breakthroughs in genetic diagnostics, and a wave of new orphan drug designations from regulators like the FDA and EMA. While enzyme replacement therapy currently leads the market, gene therapy is the fastest-growing segment, moving from managing symptoms to potentially curing these disorders at the source. North America currently holds the largest revenue share, but keep an eye on the Asia-Pacific region. It's expected to witness the fastest growth due to rising healthcare investment. Industry titans like Sanofi, Takeda, and BioMarin are leading the charge, fueled by massive R&D pipelines targeting conditions like Gaucher disease, Fabry disease, and PKU. Despite challenges like high treatment costs and complex clinical trials, the shift toward personalized medicine and AI-driven drug discovery is creating unprecedented opportunities. For a deep dive into the trends shaping the rare inherited metabolic disorder drug market, visit Transpire Insight. The link is in the description.